factor trinomials, a is greater than 1, level 1. So this is the same type of question as the one that came before it. It's just a bit more complicated because I have a number here in front of the x squared term. So we're going to set it up in a very similar way. I'm going to write down my problem. I have 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. And we're going to start it off in exactly the same way that we did the when a was equal to 1. I'm going to label this A, B, and C. Now this problem is just going to take a little longer. I'm going to still use the diamond, but in addition to the diamond, I'm also going to have to use a box. So in my diamond, I still do A times C on top and B in bottom. So 3 times 2 is 6, and then the 5 goes in the bottom. So I'm looking for something that multiplies to 6 and adds to 5. So the options that I have are 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. Those are the only pairs that multiply to 6. Out of these two pairs, 2 plus 3 will add to 5. So I need to use a 2 and a 3. Now, because this A value is not a 1, we cannot jump straight to our answer. Instead, we have to use this box. So my A term goes in this top box here, 3x squared. C term goes diagonally from it down here. And then I'm going to use these middle two from my diamond to fill in the box here. So 2x and 3x. Now to get our answer, we need to fill in the outside of the box. If I look across these top two boxes, they both have a 3 and they both have an x in it. So I'm going to pull a 3x out here. Now I know that this spot times this spot has to equal 3x squared. So 3 times what gives you 3? That would be a 1. And x times what gives you x squared? You would need another x here. Now I can use that same idea to figure out what goes here. 3x times what equals 3x? So that would be 1. Now I can look down here. This spot times 1x has to equal 2x. So 1x times what equals 2x? I need a 2. And then you can just double check 1 times 2 equals 2. So your answer's here, 3x plus 2. I took that from this side. And then the second, 1x plus 1. So this is your answer. And then we can type that into our answer on Delta Math. It all goes right next to each other. 3x plus 2 and 1x, or just x, plus 1. Now they're going to show you a little bit of a different method. Same idea. You can use Delta Math's method, or you can use the method that I just showed you. Or if you know another method, you're free to use that as well.